Hello! Do you only have a few minutes to learn about a cool new feature of the Nutanix database service? Well, you're in luck, because this is Nutanix Quick Bites.
Hello, my name is David Teague, Technical Marketing Engineer at Nutanix, and we're going to take a quick look at some of the awesome new features in the latest release of the Nutanix database service, version 2.8. First up, let's take a look at the enhancements made to the NDB Time Machine. There is a new dashboard view, which shows you the count of databases protected versus those that are unprotected, as well as showing you the backup replication health across clusters. Time Machine has also added a new health status feature that will show you the current health of the Time Machine within the defined retention period. You will see critical alerts if backups are failing, warning alerts if they have failed but are starting to work, and alerts if the Time Machine is healthy or paused. These updates will allow you to have more predictability around backup availability, simpler troubleshooting that will lead to faster issue resolution, and meaningful dashboards to manage backups at scale. The next exciting update is that Microsoft SQL Server is now supported by the NDB maintenance window feature, which allows you to patch the SQL Server database software in bulk instead of scheduling a patch one at a time. Once you have updated your software profile in NDB with the cumulative update and published it, the update will be applied at the next scheduled maintenance window. This will save you time and help you get your critical security patches applied quickly and efficiently. In more updates to the patching system, Oracle Patching has been updated, adding pre-patch validation of system requirements, including the temps file system free space and prevention of patching when database files exist within Oracle Home, resolution for single instance high availability pathing rollback failures that could leave the database in a closed stage, and better support for environments with multiple Oracle inventories. These updates help you enhance reliability and data integrity throughout the patching lifecycle and operational flexibility with fewer manual interventions across Oracle environments. These are just three of the highlights of the many new features in NDB 2.8. It also includes enhanced support for NDB on NC2 on AWS, improved scalability for the NDB control plane, and expanded database and OS compatibility. As we wrap up this quick update, don't forget that you can learn more about the NDB 2.8 update in your Nutanix portal, or head over to nutanix.com/ndb to learn more about the Nutanix database service.